The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to use the cost estimate tool. This is the Patient Estimates landing page. Start by selecting the location where you would like to receive care for your procedure. Next, please read the cost estimates disclaimer carefully before proceeding. The key takeaways from the disclaimer are: first, the amount shown is an estimate only. It is not a guaranteed price, and your final charges may be higher or lower based on the services you receive. Second, the estimate includes hospital fees, such as the cost of your room and supplies. Some estimates may also include physician or provider fees. However, not all estimates include these fees, so this may not reflect your total cost. Third, by selecting "Yes, I accept," you acknowledge that estimates are not contracts and that you are responsible for the actual charges related to your care, including any difference between the estimated and final amount. Once you've reviewed the disclaimer, select the checkbox, then click Accept and Continue to proceed. You can now search for a procedure by typing a keyword into the search field, or you can browse the Categories section to find a specific service. In this example, we'll look up an estimate for an MRI scan with contrast. Enter MRI in the search field, then click Search. If you have received a procedure code from your doctor, you may enter it instead. The search results will display a list of related services. Select MRI brain with and without contrast. Next, you'll be asked to select your insurance. Choose your insurance provider, or if you do not have insurance, select Continue without insurance. In this example, we'll select Blue Cross Standard PPO. Next, enter your deductible amount, co-insurance percentage, and maximum out-of-pocket amount. If you do not have this information, select the I don't have option located beneath each field. Once you've entered the requested information, select Use these benefits. Based on the information provided, we see an estimated cost of $505 in the You Pay section. In the Details section, you'll see a breakdown of the total charges, including hospital fees and what your insurance covers. You can print a copy of this estimate for your records by selecting the printer icon in the top right corner of the screen. Be sure to note the reference number when scheduling your appointment or calling with questions. You can also email yourself a copy of the estimate by entering your email address and selecting Send Email. If you would like to estimate the cost of another service, click Select a different service and follow the same steps we just reviewed. We hope this overview of the Patient Cost Estimate tool was helpful. If you have questions, please call our toll-free number at 844-986-1584, email us at jhm_patient_estimate@jh.edu, or send a message through MyChart. Thank you for your time.